Hi guys, before we proceed to the video, I would like to say thank you so much for supporting this channel. Here's the random shout out from my subscribers. Shout out, Carlota Santos, Lorraine DKGU, Dinty, Coolits, Vibes, Zostyle MOS, Dip Burrito, Senka San Minecraft, and P Editor. If you want to shout out or get mentioned in the next video, please subscribe and comment with hashtag HarTzy. Who want this? Open Capcut. Extract the sound. I have a link of the sound in the description. .3 seconds. Let's add effects. .0 seconds. Copy the picture 5 times, and here's the durations. Add animations. And here's the animations. Yeah. Yeah. 5 different pictures. Every picture has 2 different clips and we need to copy this one. And here's the durations. Please watch the steps carefully, it is the same steps in other pictures. Add keyframe in the left side, and then zoom in the picture using your 2 fingers. Move this whiteboard just a little bit, and then move the picture right. After you do that, the keyframe will automatically generate. Add another keyframe in the right side, and then move the picture in its original position. Okay, let's move on to the next clip of first picture. Add keyframe in the left side. Zoom in the picture, and then drag it down. Add 3 keyframes, and then move this to keyframes in its original position. Just follow the next steps. Add another keyframes that fits on the match cut. The keyframe that doesn't fit on match cut, we need to do is move back in its original position. This one is remain in its position, but we need to move the last keyframe in its original position. Make the same steps in the next pairs of pictures. Okay, we are here at the last picture. Add for keyframes and please follow the next steps. Zoom in, the first one, and the second keyframe will remain in its position. Zoom in the third keyframe and then drag it down. Okay, let's add animations, and here's the animations together with their durations. You can take a screenshot of the animations. We are going to add effects.
NANSUYA.
Let's make a white flash effect. First we need to add overlay. Add this fade out animation and over all over this.
Masih panen kiri NANSUYA.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more.